Hey everyone, Linus here. Windows 11 is a sleek upgrade bringing a modern look and new features to the table. But sometimes a fresh start can be even better. That's where a lightweight installation comes in. By stripping away unnecessary bloat, you can create a faster, more responsive Windows 11 experience tailored to your needs. Let's be real, nobody likes a slow computer. A lightweight Windows 11 installation can give your system a noticeable performance boost, especially on older hardware. Plus, you'll free up valuable storage space by ditching components you don't use. In this guide, we'll walk you through creating your own lightweight Windows 11 installation disk image. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. We'll be using some handy tools to simplify the process. So, whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or just looking to optimize your Windows 11 experience, this guide has got you covered. Let's get started. Okay, so we've talked about a lightweight Windows 11 installation, but what are the real benefits? Why should you consider making the switch to a more streamlined version of your operating system? Well, buckle up because there are quite a few. Let's dive into the key advantages that make a lightweight installation truly worthwhile. First off, performance. By removing unnecessary components and services, you'll free up system resources that would otherwise be consumed by bloatware. This means your computer can focus on running the tasks you actually care about. This translates to faster boot times, snappier application launches, and smoother overall performance. Imagine turning on your computer and being ready to go in seconds, not minutes. Next up, storage space. We've all been there. That dreaded low disk space warning. It's frustrating to constantly juggle files and applications to make room. A lightweight installation can reclaim gigabytes of storage by removing unwanted apps and features, giving you more room for your important files and games. No more worrying about running out of space when you need it most. But it's not just about speed and storage. A lightweight installation also gives you more control over your system. You can tailor your operating system to fit your specific needs and preferences. You get to decide exactly what features and components are installed, creating a truly personalized Windows 11 experience. This level of customization can make your daily tasks more efficient and enjoyable. And let's not forget about privacy and security. By removing unnecessary components, you also reduce the potential attack surface for malware and privacy leaks. A streamlined system is inherently more secure. A leaner system is a safer system. So, if you value performance, storage, control, and security, going lightweight is definitely the way to go. Alright, ready to get your hands dirty? We're about to embark on an exciting journey of customization. Before we dive into the customization process, it's crucial to gather all the necessary tools. Let's make sure we have everything we need to get started. Don't worry, all the tools we'll be using are free and user-friendly. First up, you'll need a Windows 11 ISO file. This is essentially an image of the Windows 11 installation disk. You can download it directly from Microsoft's website. Make sure to select the correct edition and language for your needs. Next, we have NT Lite. This powerful yet user-friendly software lets you customize your Windows 11 ISO by removing unwanted components, integrating drivers, and tweaking settings. Think of it as a surgeon's scalpel for your Windows installation, allowing you to tailor it precisely to your needs. Now, to make your customized Windows 11 bootable, we'll use Rufus. This nifty tool creates bootable USB drives from ISO files. It's fast, reliable, and ridiculously easy to use. You'll have your bootable USB drive ready in no time. And lastly, you'll need a USB drive with at least 8 gigabytes of storage capacity. This will be our trusty sidekick, carrying our customized Windows 11 installation to its new home. Make sure your USB drive is empty or has no important data, as it will be formatted during the process. With these tools in hand, you're all set to begin the customization process. Let's get started. Remember, preparation is key. Having the right tools will make the process smooth and enjoyable. So gather your toolkit and let's dive into the world of Windows 11 customization. Section 4, NT Lite, your customization station. With our tools assembled, let's fire up NT Lite and start customizing our Windows 11 ISO. This powerful software allows us to tailor our operating system to our exact needs and preferences. Don't worry, I'll guide you through each step. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, you'll find this process straightforward and rewarding. First, load up your downloaded Windows 11 ISO file into NT Lite. This is the foundation of our customization journey. It's as simple as dragging and dropping. Once the file is loaded, we can start exploring the myriad of options available. Once loaded, you'll see a plethora of customization options. From removing unwanted components to tweaking system settings, the possibilities are endless. Now for the fun part, removing bloat. This is where you can strip away all the unnecessary software and services that come pre-installed. NT Lite lets you remove pre-installed apps, services, and components you don't need. This can significantly improve system performance and free up valuable resources. This could be anything from Xbox Game Bar to OneDrive, depending on your preferences. Tailor your system to fit your exact needs. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Be cautious about what you remove. Removing critical system components can render your installation unusable. Always double-check before making any changes. If you're unsure about something, it's best to leave it be. When in doubt, do some research or seek advice from online communities. The internet is your friend. Research before you remove. There are plenty of resources and forums where you can find guidance. Next, you can tweak various Windows settings like disabling telemetry, customizing the start menu, and more. These tweaks can enhance your user experience and privacy. NT Lite offers a wide range of options to personalize your Windows 11 experience. From visual tweaks to performance enhancements, the choice is yours. Once you're happy with your customizations, it's time to apply the changes and save the modified ISO image. This will create a new personalized version of Windows 11. NT Lite will compile everything into a new streamlined ISO ready for action. Enjoy your customized Windows experience. Section 5, Rufus, making your USB bootable. We're almost there. Now that we have our customized Windows 11 ISO, we need to make it bootable. That's where Rufus comes in. Plug in your USB drive and launch Rufus. This little program is incredibly user-friendly. Select your USB drive, choose your customized Windows 11 ISO file, and hit Start. Rufus will format the USB drive and copy the necessary files from the ISO image. This process might take a few minutes depending on the speed of your USB drive. While you're waiting, why not subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech content? Once Rufus finishes, congrats! You now have a bootable USB drive with your very own customized Windows 11 installation. Pretty cool, right? Section 6. Installation Tips, Smooth Sailing Ahead. Before you hit that install button, let's go over a few tips for a smooth and successful installation process. First, back up your important data. Although unlikely, things can go wrong during the installation process. Having a backup ensures you won't lose any precious files. Next, consider testing your customized Windows 11 installation in a virtual machine before installing it on your main system. This allows you to spot any potential issues or incompatibilities in a safe environment. And lastly, remember those critical system components we talked about? Double-check that you haven't removed anything essential for your hardware or software to function correctly. Section 7. Conclusion. Enjoy your personalized Windows 11 experience. Congratulations, you've made it. You now have the knowledge and tools to create a lightweight, customized Windows 11 installation tailored to your needs. By following this guide, you've taken control of your operating system, removing bloat, enhancing performance, and personalizing your computing experience. And who knows, maybe this is your first step towards becoming a true Windows customization guru. So go ahead, give it a try. You might be surprised at how much of a difference a lightweight Windows 11 installation can make. And hey, if you run into any trouble or have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy customizing! If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and insights. And let me know in the comments below.